Howdy folks, welcome to my channel. My name is Darren. It's the next day. We're about to leave beautiful Berchtesgaden. I can't wait to see what happens next. But first, we're going on a morning hike. Let's go. Look at this view, folks. Just walking around just a few feet and you see this. Isn't that pretty? That means it's gonna be a very good day. Yeah. Can't get enough of this place. I just can't get enough. I just can't get enough. Dun 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 dun. Depeche Mode fan, what can I say? Now right there is our resident photographer, professional photographer. How's it going, Barry?
Going good.
Isn't this beautiful?
It is gorgeous.
Yes, it is. We got the van all packed, ready to go, leave this beautiful place. No, I'm not ready to go, but we're ready to go, you know what I mean? But I'm always gonna come back here. Oh my goodness, look at that behind. I can't leave this place. Just a minute ago, you just saw, we were down there probably about 50 yards, and it's awesome. It's beautiful. All right, we're gonna head on out to Munich. We're gonna drop off some stuff at a hotel, and we're gonna turn the van in and take a train. We'll see what happens. Who knows? Things could change. Just hang tight. Well, we made it to Munich. We're here now. It's about a 2.5 hour ride from where we're at in Berchtesgaden. We're dropping off some luggage here. We're gonna take and turn this van in at the airport, and we're gonna take a hopefully train to Garmisch. So let's go. Roxanne, where are you going?
I don't know.
You don't? Well, I got the rental van all turned in. All is good. Now we're on a train heading to the Bahnhof Muschenhof and Bahnhof. I'm very familiar with that place. We arrived at the Garmisch train station. We're in Garmisch. Howdy folks, we're in a taxi cab on the way to the Edelweiss. Now we just made it here, got a train ride, and made it here. Everything worked out wonderful, wunderbar. So back in Garmisch, Partykuchen. East Liebe Garmisch. Folks, we made it to the Edelweiss. We're all checked in, and we're ready to go eat. I'm starving. I'm gonna get a American buffet. Well, it depends on whatever the theme is. You know, that's what I'm gonna get. But here's the entrance right here. Pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool. I'm gonna go chow. Well, of all nights are having taco night, and I can't have tacos with my diet, so we're going to check out the German American Fest, which is right here going on post, U.S. Army, and we'll check it out. Look at that scenery behind me. Don't you like it? I love it. Look at this. They haven't moved since they were painted on there years ago. Okay, I'm starving. Beautiful, beautiful. Zugspitze und Ausspitze. I broke my leg on that one. And that's Zugspitze, Ausspitze. Well, folks, we looked out. They're having a German-American festival right here. All kinds of stuff. That's where the German community and U.S. Army community gets together and have a festival. Now, one thing Germany loves is to have a festival. They will have a festival about the sky's blue. Let's have a festival. But, oh yeah. But these are a mixture of U.S. Military personnel and family, and German personnel and their family. So, hence the German American Festival.
I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out.
Try to see the German Army helicopter take off, and then there's a U.S. Army one right beside it, and we'll see what happens.
Broke his rib.
Here it goes. The German helicopter on a U.S. Army post right here. German American Festival. Got to show their wares today. Helicopters, weapons, personnel. Pretty neat. He's turning around here. Turning around. Let's see. There she goes. folks. I forgot to close out the video yesterday. We were so tired. We had our food. We finally found some food, went to the buffet, and then had a really good dinner. Then we just hung out around the hotel, a little bit up there in the living room area, whatnot, and planning for the next day and all that. So thanks for being here. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell for much more, because there's a lot more stuff coming. And we will see you in the next video. Dankeschön. Tschüssis.